In this class, we will see three reactions. Here we are seeing from the chapter alcohol, phenols and ethers. Alcohol, phenols, ether. The question will be arises at question number 33. So we will see three reactions. These will be helpful. These reactions are most important. First reaction is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So it has many steps. I will say all the steps, easy steps for you people. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. It is the one of the properties of phenol. This reaction is properties of phenol. In first step, I will take phenol, benzene ring with OH. Phenol. Phenol first treated with NaOH to form. This H is replaced by Na. It will be ONA. H is replaced by ONA. Sodium phenate. It will be called as sodium phenate. Phenol. Sodium phenate. Remaining H and OH will form H2O. It is byproduct. This is first step. Sodium phenate is formed. Now we will take sodium phenate. Same thing. Here sodium phenate. ONA. The sodium phenate is treated with CHCl3. Trichloromethane. It is also called as chloroform. This is required here in this reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction means phenol with chloroform, trichloromethane. When this is treated with this will be bonded at second position of this sodium phenate. Three alternate double bonds, O and A. On second position, H is there. H is replaced by. On second position already H is there. H is replaced by CHCl2. CHCl2. H is CHCl2. One more Cl with H to form HCl as a byproduct. It is not required. HCl. Now take this third one. In third step, take this one. ONA, sodium phenate with CHCl2. This is treated with NaOH to remove Cl. NaOH. There are two Cl, so 2 times NaOH. The byproduct is NaCl2. 2 NaCl. So now here it will be ONA. Here it is C. H, one bond, OH, OH. So I will write here and I will H, OH, OH plus 2Na Cl. 2Na and 2Cl. H here 2 times OH, OH and OH. Okay, I will skip one more step here only. Directly I will write here reaction. No two OH bonds. No two OH bond. Two OH group can be attached to a same carbon atom. When if it is attached, it is unstable. Water will be eliminated from here. So I will eliminate here only. I will not go to one more step. Remaining is CHO. Double bond O plus H2O. Remaining is from when 2 OH is removed. That will be from H2O. Remaining O is bonded with C, so it will be CHO, aldehyde group. In the last step, take this one. ONaCHO. We have to remove Na, so I will take HCl. So then it will be Na replaced by H, so OH. Here already CHO. So this Na and Cl forms NaCl plus NaCl. Ultrapure double bond. So its name is salicylaldehyde. So the conversion of phenol into salicylaldehyde is called as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This is called as actually name reaction. By seeing name, you cannot decide what is the reaction. So remember, Reimer-Tiemann reaction is the reaction in which phenol is converted to salicylaldehyde. Once again, I will repeat. In first step, phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide to convert sodium phenate. Sodium phenate is treated with chloroform to form this intermediate product, and that is treated with 2 times 2 molecules of NH to form an aldehyde group here. So that further treated with HCl, acidified acid, to form an salicylaldehyde. OH group here, CH2. This is OH group, alcoholic group for benzene ring, CHO, aldehyde group for benzene. Then this will be called as salicylaldehyde. So this is the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. You can also go with one step, or else you can also go with this. I better you will go with this. This you may get 2 or 3 marks for this reaction. That is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reaction, second one, Kolbe's reaction from alcohol phenol ethers chapter same. Here also phenol. This is also one of the reaction of phenol. It is only 2 steps. Phenol. I will directly take sodium phenate. You can ask how sodium phenate is formed. When phenol treated with NaOH, it will form sodium phenate. Sodium phenate. It is one of the product of phenol only. Sodium phenate is treated with carbon dioxide. In Reimer-Tiemann reaction, CHCl3, chloroform is used. In this Kolbe's reaction, carbon dioxide is used. Reaction, sodium phenate is treated with carbon dioxide to form. Here O is there. Here already H is there. H is replaced by Na. Here this COO is bonded with Na. It is one of the salt of carboxylic acid, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So then that is further treated with, this is phenol, phenol with carbon dioxide. Then in last step, benzene, COONA, to shift, to remove Na, we will take HCl, it will be OH, COOH. N is replaced by H, so byproduct is NaCl. It is called as salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. This Kolbe's reaction is one of the conversion of phenol into salicylic acid using carbon dioxide. Reimer-Tiemann reaction is the conversion of phenol into salicylaldehyde using CHCl3, chloroform, trichloromethane. Here CHCO2. These 2 reactions are most important reactions in this chapter. Reaction, that is Williamson's ether synthesis, or only it will be also called as Williamson's synthesis. Williamson's name reaction, ether. In this reaction we are going to prepare or synthesize the ether. So ether synthesis. So I am writing here some words. When alkyl halides are heated with sodium salt of alcohols. Alkyl halides are heated with sodium salts of alcohol. I will take sodium salts of alcohol, RONA. This is sodium salt of alcohol. Sodium salt of alcohols in alcoholic medium with alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means acids. Here the alcoholic medium. So now what happens? The simple things. R is with O. This O is Na combines with X to form NaX salt. NaX sodium halide. NaX. R will come here. ROR. This is ether. ROR. R means here alkyl group. Alkyl. Alkyl oxygen alkyl group. This is the general formula of ether. So from sodium salt of alkoxide, this can be also called as sodium salt of alkoxide. When it is treated with alkyl halide in the presence of alcoholic medium, so then ether will be formed. So this reaction is called as Williamson's ether synthesis. You can also take example. I have given I have written only general equation. If particularly example is asked means you can write example. In the place of R you can write C2. I will just write example C2H5ONA. In the place of R, example. In the place of R, C2H5ONA plus CS3Ca. I will take CS3Cl, methyl chloride. Okay, sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide plus methyl chloride. NaCl is a byproduct. NaCl is a byproduct. Here C2H5 bonded with OCH3. This is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether is formed, that is called as ether. So this reaction is the preparation of ether, so it is called Williamson's ether synthesis. In this class we have seen three reactions: Reimer-Tiemann reactions, Kolbe's reaction, and Williamson's ether synthesis. Either out of these three, either Williamson's may become or Reimer-Tiemann or Kolbe's reaction will become. I hope any one out of these three one will become. Prepare this, practice this, because reactions are easy to learn, but while writing you will forget some of the things of reaction. So I am suggesting you to practice many times this reaction. Okay, so these are three reactions are important. Study well. Okay, thank you.